Hi, welcome to For Seller channel. For Seller supports migrating products from Shopify, Amazon, TikTok, eBay, Etsy, Commerce, Shein to Temu for listing. The term migration here means to simply copy the original product information to other platforms with one click. Due to the varying information requirements across different platforms, you can modify or add product information as needed. This function is suitable for sellers who conduct multi-channel sales. Entrance 1. Click on the Listing module. Select corresponding platform. Enter the Listing migration page. Entrance 2. Click on the Listing module. And in the interface of published products on each platform, perform the migration. You can either copy a single product to the store or select multiple products and then click Copy to Store. You can also click Copy by Shop to migrate all the products in the store to the current store. Please note that the Copy by Shop function is only available when the number of the platform products is less than 2,000. Click Copy by Shop, select the store to be copied from, and choose the product status as needed. Select the target platform as Temu, and choose the store to be copied to. You can either copy the duplicate product or skip the already moved ones. A store can only handle one migration task at a time. If there are unfinished moving tasks before, a pop-up window will appear, allowing to choose to continue the unfinished task or start a new one. If you choose to start a new task, the unfinished task before will be automatically deleted. If you want to view the unfinished moving task, they will be displayed in the top right corner of the list. Click on it will allow you to view all the moving tasks of all the store on this platform. You can choose to continue or delete it. When entering the migration page, the number of the product to be moved and the designated platform for moving will be displayed. Migration to Temu involves four processes, starting to the migration process, confirming categories, complete information, publish product. 1. To start the migration process, basic settings need to be completed, such as shipping time and the logistic template. If there are setting rules, you can also check the priority matching rules or failing the migration rules in the advanced settings. After completion, click the next step and the select migration product will be categorized. The page will display the matched and unmatched products by category, along with the specific quantities of each product. Clicking on the category for matching allows for bunch manual matching. Clicking on the number of the product enables viewing the specific product details and allows for manual modification of the categories for individual products. Clicking on the remove icon will delete the product, which will be directly removed from the migration list. After completing the category matching, click Next. If there are unmatched products, clicking on the confirmation button will automatically remove the product from the migration product list. After progress bar finishes loading, the products that have completed category matching will enter the supplementary information page. Due to the different information required among different platforms, it is necessary to supplement the post-migration product information to successfully publish. The supplementary information list includes three status: ready to publish product, publishable after aid information, needs optimization in draft, The need for supplementary information is divided into three categories: weight for the supplementary of weight and size, product attributes, and variant images. On the right side of each category, the number of products lacking such information will be displayed. Click on the product number to supplement individually, or click the Supplement button to supplement the products of the same category in bunches. Supplementing variant images only supports single supplementation for the products that need to be optimized in the draft page. Since some product information does not meet the platform requirements, please go to the draft page, optimization, and then publish later. After all the information is supplemented, you can choose to save the current product as a draft or directly publish it. Clicking on Publish Product will display different publishing status. Clicking on the status will lead you to the corresponding module page. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe for Seller channel. If you encounter any problems, please scan our WhatsApp QR code to contact with For Seller customer service.